Hey guys, my name is Janis Harvilova
And my name is Murat Deveci.
and this is OptoFidelity Test Corner. We are here at Display Week and we are checking out the latest developments in the display technology. Shall we go along, Murat, and go see what's there?
Yes, let's do it. Well, here we are at the Radiant Vision Systems booth, and I am with Mike Caputo. So they have the fancy new imaging colorimeters here. Mike, so can you tell us more about this?
Sure, yeah. So what we have here is a near-to-eye display, of course, and it's got our AR/VR lens on it, which is a wide field of view lens. And we're demonstrating our I-151. So it's a 151 megapixel full resolution, right? So it's not a Bayer pattern, it's a full resolution camera. And we put our CIE matched color filters in there to do metrology across the full display. So you can see here we're looking at ANSI brightness, sequential contrast, uniformity, checkerboard contrast, and then we're also doing some MTF using a slant edge technique to find that. And then lastly, there's a 9-point measurement for distortion that we do on that as well.
Yeah.
So this is the latest in the colorimeter series. So more people are wanting full wide field of view measurement. And so this gives us full horizontal and vertical field of view of 120 degrees.
Yeah. So it is a very suitable tool for system level AR, VR, HMD testing or image quality metrics. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Mike.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, here we are at the Westboro Photonics booth. Roger, I heard a lot about this imaging spectral colorimeter. Could you please tell us more about it?
Yeah, so this is our flagship product. We call it the WP525. It's a great instrument, not just a 2D imaging colorimeter, but we actually have an integrated spectrometer inside the box, so you don't need an external fiber optic cable to a second instrument. Really improves the repeatability quality of the captures. At the show, we're also showing a new technology we have. It's a software algorithm. Using our HDR capture, we can actually take the errors inherent to measuring modulated displays and smooth them out to get a great error-free image. Patent pending technology. Pretty clever, pretty proud of it. We're also talking about how we can do native automation and data management through Python access direct to our instruments. So exciting stuff. We'd love to see you here.
That sounds a lot of advancement in this field. I think this will be a very cool device for the market. Yeah.
Cool. Well, thanks for coming by.
Yeah, thanks for introducing the product. Yes. Here we are in a private demonstration room of Cellid. That's a Japanese waveguide manufacturing company. So right now I'm wearing a plastic substrate diffractive waveguide based AR smart glasses, and I'm together with Satoshi-san. He is the CEO of Cellid. Satoshi-san, so what is so exciting about these waveguides?
As you said, the plastic waveguide and super lightweight and seeing, and then FOV is 30 degrees and super high efficiency. So that's our waveguide.
Do we have any trade-offs for image quality, for example, when you compare with glass substrate?
Yeah, right. Because of the polymer substrate, so the RI is limited. So there is some trade-off between the color uniformity and FOV. So yeah, for polymer waveguide, the maximum FOV will be like 30 degrees for full color.
Okay. For example, what about the manufacturability of the plastic waveguide versus glass?
Yeah, that's a key thing for polymer waveguide. So we cannot expand the warehouse size. So we have to shrink the warehouse size, and then we have to improve throughput.
Okay. What do you think about the yield of a plastic waveguide versus glass waveguide when you are manufacturing those?
Yeah, that's a good thing. Good question. Yeah, we can control yield because we customize the process for plastic waveguide.
Okay, so the main benefit would be it's being lightweight, plus the cost will be, is it substantially lower than glass substrates?
Will be lower.
Okay.
And then the durability and then the reliability will be higher than glass substrate.
Okay. So as a CEO of a waveguide company from Japan, so what do you think about this year? is it going to be the year for AR glasses?
Yeah, I
It will
think-
hit the market
Yep.
and people will start adopting them at a mass level. Do you
Yep.
think this is the year?
This year.
Okay, okay.
Some companies start this year, and then yeah, some companies start next year.
Yeah. It's very exciting that what Satoshi is saying. So we are also looking forward to having that mass adoption of AR smart glasses by the population. Yeah. So thanks for having us, Satoshi.
Thank you so much.
Yes. I just bumped into Yanshi from BOE Technologies. So Yanshi, you are doing a lot of technology scouting here in the Bay Area. Have you seen anything interesting this year during Display Week?
Yes, definitely. Yeah, thank you, Murad, for hosting me at the OptoFidelity booth. And I come to SID probably every year, and this year I'm super interested in the XR center exhibition, and including your fantastic measurement tools made by OptoFidelity. Yeah.
Are you guys also working on XR nowadays as a BOE?
Yes, correct. Yeah, so BOE is making a lot of progress in micro display,
Okay.
display engine, and waveguide measurement and headset measurement. That's why I think we're very interested in this. Yeah.
I remember that BOE is one of the largest panel makers in the world. So it's very interesting that you guys are
Yes.
now also entering the micro display panel making for the XR market.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah, in fact, BOE supplies 1 out of 4 panels, any type of panel in the world, and BOE is dedicated in micro display for AR, VR, XR, MR. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Tommi Björk. I'm here at OptoFidelity booth at Display Week. I'm here to talk about eye tracking. So these kind of devices like this Apple Vision Pro has integrated eye tracking features, which is used for controlling the foveated rendering or controlling the UX with the gaze. So to make it this good, you need a device to measure the quality of eye tracking. And we are creating this kind of eye tracking tester, which has a human eye-like cameras with the response of like anatomically replicating human eyes. And they have embedded cameras and backlight sensors to synchronize the cameras with the backlight of the display of any device used in front of the eyes. So these will be motorized and accurately moved. So using that, you can measure the eye tracking latency and the angular accuracy. So if you're interested, come and see the head and the small demo of the current setup.
I just bumped into Serpil, who is the CTO of Pixelligent. So Serpil, what are your impressions about Display Week 2025 so far?
Yeah, I wasn't able to attend last year, so I have seen a big difference in the last 2 years. There's a lot of opportunities in the automotive display. That's, I think, the biggest difference that I have seen. Augmented reality sessions are increasing in numbers, so I was able to attend several talks there. Metrology also is very important in all of this. The brightness is increasing, and I think being able to measure brightness and other properties is very important. So OptoFidelity, I am glad to see you here with your booth, one of the best metrology equipment company, and I'm happy to be here.
Thank you, Serpil. Hope you enjoy the rest of the event also.
Thank you.
I just bumped into John from Luminit. So what do you think about this year's event, John?
Well, thanks for the introduction. Yeah, welcome to Luminit. This year's event has been very impressive. A lot of diverse, different displays around. A lot of new technologies coming through. Here at Luminit, we've been demonstrating our latest technologies, diffusers in silicone, very high resolution diffusers. We do a lot for aerospace. We do a lot for automotive. And now we're doing displays literally using roll-to-roll production technology, holographic displays, which you can see over here, which we're presenting here. And we're developing these films with high optical integration so that we can provide drivers literally an entire windshield display. not just a small head-up display that's been around for the last 20 years. This is now over the whole windshield, providing a panoramic display and also with true depth in that display. So very exciting time, lots of opportunities in displays, and we at Luminit think we're going to be part of a big future with holographic displays in automotive and other augmented reality applications.
It was great to hear about Luminit. Thank you, John.
Thank you.
I hope you very good event so far. Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Yes.
So today we are going to talk about, as you can see, what are 2025 list of takeaways for AR?
So firstly, something about OptoFidelity. We have 20 years of history, and always in the heart of our work has been the optical metrology, imaging and robotics. Currently we are located in 3 continents, headquarters in Finland, then we have offices in China and 2 here in USA.